Okay, what we have here is a 1971 Alaskan camper cab over model sitting on a same year GMC K20. This restoration took about 6 months and required completely rebuilding the top. It's pretty common. Every one of these has trapped moisture inside of them, and the wood turns to dust eventually. Here's the finished product, getting ready for its maiden voyage. One of my favorite parts on this build was the original stickers that had accumulated on the rear door. A lot of sweet vintage stuff, showing that this thing's been up and down the Alaskan highway a few times. We ended up saving the wood and using a 2-part epoxy to seal the stickers in and keep some of the history alive on this old Alaskan. On the interior, you can see all the new wood on the top. All the cabinetry underneath was restored, completely sanded down and refinished. The stove just needed cobwebs blown out of the LP lines, and that worked fine. We kept the original faucet and hand pump, but also upgraded all the plumbing. The original sconces were rebuilt and LED lights were added to them. Here you can see a new water pump, also our power distribution and battery charging system. We're more than happy with the way this rig ended up, and we're sure the owner's out there putting tons of miles on it.